and welcome to another edition of Brainstem Tech News. I am Russell Rosenkrantz. In this episode, we talk about the new NIH-sponsored ongoing research on adolescent brain cognitive development, or ABCD. A valid question based on the current data could be, does video gaming actually make kids smarter? Results from a large study of nearly 2,000 children that was published recently in JAMA, the Journal of the American Medical Association Network Open, show an increasing correlation. Video gaming may be associated with better cognitive performance in children. Although additional research is necessary to examine further the potential benefits and harms of video games on the developing brain, it was reported that children played video games for 3 hours or more per day. These children performed better on cognitive skills tests involving impulse control and working memory compared to children who never played video games. NIDA Director Nora Volkow, MD, said, numerous studies have linked video gaming to behavior and mental health problems. This study suggests there may be cognitive benefits associated with this extremely popular teen and preteen entertainment. Although previous research studies have reported associations between video gaming and increases in depression, violence, and aggressive behavior, this study did not find that to be the case. Only a handful of neuroimaging studies have addressed the relationship between video gaming and cognitive behavior. Until this large study, the sample sizes for research studies have been small, with fewer than 80 participants. Researchers here analyzed data obtained when children entered the ABC study beginning at ages 9 or 10 years old. The scientists examined survey, cognitive, and brain imaging data from nearly 2,000 participants. They separated these children into two groups, those who reported playing no video games at all, and those who reported playing video games for 3 or more per day. This threshold of more than 3 hours of video gaming was selected specifically because it exceeds the American Academy of Pediatricians' screen time guidelines, which recommend the video gaming time for older children be limited to 1 to 2 hours per day. The investigators discovered that the children who reported playing video games for 3 or more hours per day were faster and more accurate on both cognitive tasks than those who never played. Children who played video games for 3 or more hours per day showed higher MRI-measured brain activity in regions of the brain associated with attention and memory than those who never played. At the same time, those children who played at least 3 hours of video games per day showed more MRI imaged brain activity in frontal brain regions that are associated with more cognitively demanding tasks and less brain activity in brain regions related to vision. The scientists speculated that these patterns may arise from practicing tasks related to impulse control and memory while playing video games, which can be cognitively demanding, and these changes may lead to improved performance on related tasks. Furthermore, the lower activity in visual areas may reflect increased brain efficiency in visual processing because of repeated practice through video gaming. Additionally, the researchers stress that this cross-sectional study does not allow for cause and effect analysis, only a correlative relationship. Therefore, it could be that children who are good at these types of cognitive tasks may choose to play video games. The authors also emphasize that their findings do not support parents allowing their children to spend unlimited time on their computers, mobile phones, or TVs. And the positive outcomes likely depend largely on the specific genre of video games, such as action-adventure, puzzles, solving, sports, or shooting games may have different effects on neurocognitive development, some being more positive and some games being negative in their effects.